Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. Wan ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Menteri Rangba jong ke Sarkar Jilla u Konrad K Sangma hakashipauterik unai wing arajar arpo ula lumjing yalang yiki MLA jong ke Kinhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kababat ya ulakam sensyar hakajilla hadin baka Kongres kabasyong hakal yang persya jong ke ying dorbar thawain kalawan ra da ka no confidence motion ne ka jingbom syanya syu ya ke Sarkar MDA hapo ka jingyalam jong u Konrad Konggal Sangma. Haka dorbar senrai ke belalong, haka shipauterik unai wing arajar arpo, ulampang jong ke yeng dorbar thawain, uba medba lingdo, ula pediang ye ke no confidence motion balawanra, daka liang persya kaban salong, haka khatway terik unai wing arajar arpo, haka por khatway beji minstep. Haba keren shikilat pathai kubor, u Konrad K Sangma ulayathu, babaro ki MLA jong ka Kinhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kila penpau bakidang yai donbet ka jingshania hau kum unong yalam jong ka Kinhon bat yathoru baka Kinhon hi kalong ka bala penkre ban yatakho bat kalyang persya hapo ka yeng dorbar halor ka ni ka jingwanra ya ka no confidence motion
was to discuss about the no confidence motion that has been moved by the opposition. So we just discussed on making sure that everybody should be present tomorrow, number one, and number two, the people who will participate in the debate, and obviously to make sure that we support the government. So it was a meeting to just coordinate for tomorrow's no confidence motion. We're absolutely confident. There is no issues, and the opposition has brought out there's no confidence, but there were many other forms in which they could have mentioned the issues that are concerning them. In fact, they had mentioned in the press conference that it is a platform to discuss issues, is what they had mentioned. So therefore, I think there were many platforms, but nonetheless, opposition has chosen this particular route, so we are ready. Our entire MDA is very confident and we are united, and we will get through this no confidence motion. Yeah, and the thing is that a lot of our ministers, some of them have actually had tested positive, and then now one or two of them have tested negative. One or two have tested negative a week back, but they were very weak, so they were not coming. But tomorrow being an important day, they have all been asked to attend, and in spite of their health condition, they will all be attending tomorrow's house.